Hey loves, how are you doing? Hopefully you're good. It has been a while. I'm happy I'm back and I'm back with full energy. So I hope you are fine as well. Welcome back. Today I decided to try something new that I never did before, and I hope you guys gonna love this video. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. But if you're new to this family, you're welcome. My name is Glory Mtui, and before you leave, feel free to hit subscribe button below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because once you do that, it will help this video to reach more people. So I started by parting my hair. First, I'll show you how to create the base. And the wax I use after I part, I use all sun gel. I apply, then I redo the line again. If you have been in my channel for a while, I think now you are very familiar with this gel. I have been using this gel for a long time. I think it have been like 3 years now, or 2 years and a half. So after I part, I go ahead and apply some gel on each section. Then I make three waves cornrows. And after I split my hair into three, then I do regular cornrows. And this is how I usually do. I start with the middle part, which I hold it behind my thumb finger, and then my thumb finger from other hand help me to hold or pick the hair from other sections. That's why I do till I finish this section. And then I'll show you like very quick how to create the base because this is not actually hard. And you can either decide to do cornrows or you may either decide to do twist. Both ways are good. So I would really pass very quick, and I don't want this video to be long as well, so I'll try my best to show you guys important points. So again, I part. You may either decide to go with bigger section or smaller section. It's all up to you depending on how long you want to keep your protective style. But for me, I love to go with medium size, not too bigger, not too small, because it's easy to maintain, and then yeah, I'll not feel like I carry too much hair. So again, divide your hair into three and then start to braid. You may either decide to pick from right side or from left side. It's all up to you. Use your way. The important point here is to get the results, not the way. Then let me show you in the back of my head how I braid. I use the same method, splits my natural hair into three, and then I start to braid. Just like the way I did in front or in the middle, in the back, I repeat exactly the same thing. And this is the last section. I also do the same, split into three, and then I do. And as you can see, I do halfway. I didn't braid my hair till in the end because you don't need to do that. You only want to create base, which it will be easy for you to crochet the hair in. And once you crochet the hair, the base will not unravel. That is the main point to create this base. So you don't need like to braid your entire hair. And here we go, guys. This is how the sections looks like. The hard part is to part your sections, but after you do that, the rest is so easy. Like to install this hair, it's so easy. The hair I'll be using in this video is this Nubian twist. I use 2 packs, and this is color 1/350. As they show here in this pack, you can see they show is crochet method, so I decided to create the same thing. And in every pack, this is how it looks like. You get 4 bundles like this. I love this. It has good texture, not too soft and not too hard. Even beginners, you can do this hair. So quick, I want to check in every bundle how many strands do they have. I love to do that because I have to make sure how many packs will be enough to my hair. So before you buy anything, I would like to count and to let you know how many packs will be enough for your hair. So in every pack you get 7 strands, and you may either decide to times 4 in every pack. Then you'll know how many packs will be enough for your head, depending on the section you want to go with. And after that, I go ahead and I make sure I don't know, I prepare this hair. And this is how I do. I make sure I pass my fingers through, and I make sure I do like really gentle, because I don't want this hair to tangle. And as they right there, this is tangled free, but of course in the end you have to be extra careful. So here is the hair I stretched already, and I put it here on my braiding hair rack, ready for installation only. And if you're interested with this braiding hair rack, I'll put the link in the description below. This braiding hair rack is a lifesaver, and it comes with a full accessories for professional braider. So kindly click the link in my description below to get 7% off. I take one piece in every section. I use one piece or one strand from this Nubian twist, and before I braid, I make sure this hair it's even, to avoid this black section to be on top and this gold color to be mixed. I want to make something nice, so I make sure both sides they're even. Here I'll braid 2 strands using this Nubian twist, while the third strand will be my natural hair. So what I'm doing here is I just make like a good cornrow in the beginning, and then after I braid like 5 or 10 steps, I go ahead and I split my natural hair again. You may either split into 2 if you feel like the section is bigger, or you don't need to split if you feel like the section is small. Like this section here, I feel like this section is small, so I apply some gel so that it will be easier for me to tuck in this hair, and then I start twist. This twist I do very loose twist, because this is not a regular twist. It's like you are wrapping these twists in between. You just want from left side to stick together with the right side. So it's like doing very loose twists. Okay, I'll show you another method on how to wrap this on the next section. And when I keep twisting, I make sure I keep pulling the hair, because I don't want this hair to be tangled, and I want to keep braiding till in the end so that I can get good look. And here we go with the section number 1. Again, I repeat, I find when I hold this hair almost in the end, it will be easier for this hair to pass through. So I hold the hair almost in the end, and then I crochet. After that, I make sure both sides they are even to avoid black to be in, other side up, while this gold color to be down. And then I hold this Nubian twist as 2 strands, while the third one be my natural hair. And I start to do regular cornrow. I do 5 to 7 steps, and then I divide my hair into 2. And don't forget, my thumb finger and my index finger, they're there to hold this section in the middle to avoid this section to unravel. And then my other hand will be free to apply some gel on my natural hair, or to turn the section to other side so that I can hold both sides well, as you can see. So after I apply some gel, I turn the twist to other side, and then I hold the next side or the other side of the hair. I apply some gel, and then I start to twist. As I said, here I'm doing very loose twists. Can you see how loose it is? Like it's really loose, because once you do loose, you get good results. But once you do tie, you make like spring, not like, I think not spring, but it will be like the twist won't come out nicely. So you have to do like a really loose, and then keep twist till in the end of your hair to get something nice. And I also decided to show you in the back how I do, because in the back we usually hold hair in different ways. So it's better, guys, you know how I hold my hair. So once you want to do that, it will be easier for you to do that. So in the back, I hold hair like this way, and I also braid like this way to get like middle part, not like side parts. So I keep braiding, as I said, not too much, not too much, because you don't want to like to do long distance. You just want to do something nicely at the beginning only, and to make sure like you secure this twist from the beginning, and then this twist will not unravel. So gel is so important. Apply some gel so that it will be easier for you to tuck in your natural hair and then do twist. I saw a lot of people, they've been doing this twist like this way. Yeah, like this way. So you can see how loose these twists they are. Really, really loose, and keep going till in the end. Don't leave it in a halfway, because this twist they're going to unravel. But once you get till in the end, even after you trim, you'll find out that twist they're clean, neat like never before. So keep twist till in the end of every twist. And then after this, let me show you the last one, and then we'll be back with the final look. Thank you so much if you watch up to this time. I do appreciate, and I hope you find this video is really useful. So again, I braid to create the good base to avoid the hair to slip out. Another thing is this hair is so light. If you're that person, you don't like heavy hair, I will highly recommend this hair, because it's one of the very light hair and so easy to install. So go ahead and get your 2 packs, then you'll come back with testimony how easy, how light this hair it is. This is my very first time to try this spring twist, and I'm so in love with these results. Like in the beginning, I was so nervous, like I cannot do this, but after I did like 3 4, I was so proud of myself, like yo. And guys, I'm done. Don't leave your hair hanging out like this way. Go ahead and trim all the ends. Make sure the hair they're looking nice and neat, honey. You don't need to let your hair hanging out, and when you pass, your hair stuck somewhere. No. And guys, this is the final results for today's video. Kindly let me know, what do you think about this hair? Are you gonna try? Because I'm so in love with this hair, and I'm telling you, I will try this hair again, again, and again. This will be one of my favorite hair, though. I'm not promoting this hair, I'm not paid, but I'm just in love with this hair. Guys, this hair is so beautiful. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, so that more people they can see this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.